Hi guys, today we are going to show you how to make a bangle with Malaysia Clay Art AB epoxy resin, dried flowers, digital scale, a mixing cup, and a stick. To start, measure your resin and mix it with the ratio given. Stir slow in the same direction until it's equally mixed. Pour the mixture in a bangle silicone mold and arrange dried flowers around at your preference. You can push the dried flowers and arrange them with a toothpick. Then add a bit more resin to fill up the mold. Leave dry for 10 to 15 hours or until hard, and you can easily remove the bangle from the mold. The surface facing up has a little sharp edges, or when you over pour them, they have extra sides on the bangle. Simply sand them down with the sandpaper and restore the shine by polishing it to get a smoother finish. Look, it's done, and it's really easy to make. Please like, share and subscribe if you like our video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.